Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Locke sooner.
Welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how to choose your joint venture partner. Now, maybe you have an offer, maybe you have a high-ticket offer, but you don't have a list, you're just getting started. How do you get out in the marketplace? How do you get traction? How do you get clients and buyers? One of the best ways and one of the most effective ways is through joint venture marketing, meaning that you are partnering up with someone, right? You are basically going to someone who already has the audience that you want. They have the prospects that you want. They have the clients that you want, and you form a joint venture that they would promote your programs for a commission. Now, this has been done forever in the coaching and consulting industry, in the expert industry. It's nothing new. But I think most experts, they think in a very linear manner. So basically, they're thinking about, hey, do you have an email list? If you do, you could promote my products. You send out some emails within a period of time, and then whatever sales you make, then, hey, I will send you some affiliate commission. And that's okay. But I think that's too linear and too limited. What if you think beyond that? What if you could also approach someone with a YouTube channel that has the eyeballs that you want? Maybe they have an Instagram channel. Maybe they have a Facebook group. Maybe they have an email list. Maybe they have an event. You could speak on those stages, or maybe a virtual event. So think outside the box, not just if they have an email list. One of the things that I love to do, and here's a great coaching tip for you, is you find someone with an email list, instead of just asking them, hey, can you send out some emails for me? Why don't we swap our autoresponders? Meaning this, that we would craft 7 emails for you, you would craft 7 emails for us, or 3 or 5, whatever sequence you want to use. And then we will upload those to your autoresponder sequence, and I will upload yours to my autoresponder sequence. Every single opt-in that I get within my funnel, after 30 days or 60 days, they would see this sequence. The difference is this: then you're no longer just doing promotion. This is evergreen traffic. So that means every single time they get an opt-in, after a certain period of time, they will see your offers and they will continue to make money, and vice versa. Another way you could do this, and this works wonder for me, is you approach joint venture partners where we all have that. We all have our thank you page or confirmation page. And I could tell you this, those pages, the thank you pages, the confirmation pages, are the most utilized piece of real estate on their websites. Most people, they have, thank you very much, thank you for confirming, thank you for opting in. That is horrible. Why not make an offer there? Someone just took an action. They just bought something from them, right? They just opt in for something. That's wasted real estate. You could then talk to your joint venture partners and say, hey, what are you doing with that space? Nothing. Okay? What if I put my offer there? It costs you nothing. It takes no effort. We only need to set that up once, and we send you commission day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. How do you like that idea? Do you be like, this is no-brainer, especially if you choose the right type of joint venture partner? Example, let's say if I teach conversion, how to optimize a website, I could joint venture with someone that's teaching traffic generation. See, I'm not competing by their clients getting better conversion. They have more money to spend with them on traffic generation. So see, it's very complementary. That's what we want. Or example, I work with thought leaders and experts, and some of them want to write a book. I could easily joint venture with someone who teaches people how to publish books, how to write books, maybe even offer done-for-you services for authors. Perfect. Because I have thought leaders who want that services. At the same time, any author who is writing a book, publishing a book, they need to think about what's next, because you don't make money from books. They need to build a business around the expertise, around their book. So then the publishers or the experts that teaches authors, they could send clients my way as well. So By helping their clients become more successful. Maybe they'll do a second book and third book with them. Does that make sense? This is how joint venture partners work. It works so well because your joint venture partner, they've already spent the money. They've put in the work to acquire the customers, to get their attention in the first place, and now you can leverage that and make it a win-win. No cost to you, no cost to them. Everybody makes more money. It is a win-win. So consider this. How do you add joint venture to what you do? Maybe you will promote other people's offers and you earn a commission with no cost. Maybe you have other people promote your offers. Cross-promotion. By the way, we're always open to joint venture relationship. If you want to promote our programs, if you want to talk about how we could collaborate, contact my office, 833-4-DAN-LOCK, and that's 833-4-DAN-LOCK. Until then, go high ticket.